Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol PLTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a very eventful day on this one, given it was its IPO today. And overall, though, depending on how you played it, some people are probably going into the weekend very, very nervous. That first opening part of the IPO right there made a very impressive movement. And then after there, pretty much the sellers just showed back up. Although I will say the last 30 minutes is offering some hope. Good, solid green candle. So maybe, just maybe, this is the start of something bigger, and maybe the price is going to try to work its way back upwards. But if this is the start of something bigger, well, then it at least needs to be able to maintain itself. And that is where the first key level of support comes into play. Maintain itself relative to what? Well, relative to where it finally bounced today, and that was $30. So I'm not trying to insult anyone's intelligence here, but I mean, if the price comes back down to 30 and then breaks down below there, well, it wouldn't really make much sense to say, hey, this is the start of something bigger, when all of a sudden the price has just gone to new lows, right? However, as long as the price can at least maintain above 30, at that point, I mean, it's not a guarantee of anything, but it's at least a plausible thought to be having, that saying, okay, maybe this is some sort of bottom. Okay, yeah, it's staying above 30. It's still trying to bottom. Maybe it's trying to bottom. So like I said, just because it stays above 30 doesn't mean that it actually is the bottom, but it makes a more than reasonable thought. It makes a more than rational thought to be thinking, all right, maybe this is finally the bottom. Maybe the price is finally getting ready to turn itself around. So for that reason, $30, very important level moving forward. Now, if this is, like I said, the start of something bigger, well, then in order to get bigger, not only does the price need to maintain itself, but it needs to show some signs of progress through these areas of resistance. And that first key progress point, in my mind, that'll need to be, not only broken above, but maintained above, is a $32 mark. And then after $32, next key level of resistance after that would then be right up there around the 33.35 mark. And if the price can get up through 33.35, at that point, things start to become very interesting in terms of, yeah, maybe this thing is getting ready to just, do a full-blown reversal. So we'll see what happens with it next week. But all in all, yeah, things are looking a little shaky right now. But the last 30 minutes does offer up some potential signs of bullishness. So let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.